Welcome to a journey through the world of luxury travel, where the ultra-rich escape to some of the most opulent destinations on the planet. In this video, we'll explore how the billionaire lifestyle inspires wanderlust and reveals the extravagant experiences that define luxury travel. From pristine private islands to majestic mountain retreats, and from sleek private jets to magnificent super yachts, prepare to be motivated by the ultimate in luxury escapes. I'm Tony, and today we're diving into the luxurious world of travel as experienced by the wealthiest individuals. We'll be visiting some of the most exclusive destinations, flying in private jets, cruising on super yachts, and discovering what makes these experiences so appealing. So let's embark on this journey and find your next luxury travel motivation. Private jets, ultimate luxury in the skies. Our journey begins in the skies, where private jets offer the ultimate luxury travel experience. For the ultra-rich, private jets are more than just a mode of transportation. They're a symbol of status, convenience, and comfort. Private jets provide a seamless and exclusive travel experience, allowing passengers to bypass commercial airports and fly directly to their destinations. Inside, these jets are customized to the owner's preferences, with features such as spacious cabins, gourmet kitchens, luxurious seating, and even private bedrooms and showers. Some of the top choices include Gulfstream G650, Bombardier Global 7500, and Dassault Falcon 8X. The appeal of private jets lies in the personalized service, privacy, and time-saving convenience they offer. Whether traveling for business or leisure, the ultra-rich choose private jets to ensure a smooth and luxurious journey. Super yachts, sailing in style. On the water, super yachts provide a floating palace experience, offering unparalleled luxury and exclusivity. These vessels are not just a means of travel, but a destination in themselves. Super yachts can range from 80 feet to over 500 feet in length, and come equipped with a wide array of extravagant features, including private pools, helipads, cinemas, spas, gyms, and even submarines for underwater exploration. The interiors are designed with opulent furnishings and high-end finishes, creating a lavish environment on the open seas. With a professional crew attending to every need, guests can enjoy gourmet dining, personalized excursions, and a range of water sports, whether anchored in the Mediterranean, exploring the Caribbean, or discovering remote Pacific islands. Super yachts offer a luxurious and intimate travel experience. Private island retreats, North Island, Seychelles. For a more stationary yet equally luxurious escape, private island retreats offer the ultimate in seclusion and comfort. One such gem is North Island in the Seychelles. North Island is a haven of tranquility, with only a few exclusive villas offering stunning views, private beaches, and top-notch service. Guests can indulge in a variety of activities, such as snorkeling, diving, and exploring the island's natural beauty, all while enjoying the privacy and luxury that come with a private island stay. The eco-friendly approach of North Island, combined with its luxurious amenities, makes it a sought-after destination for those seeking an exclusive and environmentally conscious retreat. Mountain luxury, Amangani, Wyoming, USA. For those who prefer the serenity of the mountains, Amangani in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, offers a luxurious escape with breathtaking views and a cozy, sophisticated atmosphere. Amangani combines rustic charm with modern luxury, offering guests a range of outdoor activities such as skiing, wildlife safaris, and hiking. The resort's elegant suites, spa services, and gourmet dining ensure a relaxing and indulgent stay. The allure of Amangani lies in its ability to provide a serene retreat amidst the stunning natural beauty of the Teton Mountains, making it a perfect destination for those looking to combine adventure with luxury. Exclusive cultural experiences. Villa d'Este, Lake Como, Italy. For a taste of history and culture, Villa d'Este on Lake Como, Italy, offers a timeless and elegant experience. This historic villa has been a favorite of aristocrats and celebrities for centuries. Villa d'Este provides a luxurious stay with its Renaissance architecture, beautifully manicured gardens, and stunning lake views. Guests can explore the local culture, enjoy Italian cuisine, and relax in the opulent surroundings of this iconic property. The combination of cultural richness and luxury makes Villa d'Este a perfect destination for those who appreciate both history and high-end travel experiences. Looking ahead, the future of luxury travel promises to be even more extraordinary. With space tourism on the horizon, pioneering companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are making the dream of traveling to space a reality. Space tourism offers the ultimate adventure, allowing travelers to experience zero gravity, view Earth from space, and be part of an exclusive group of space tourists. This next frontier of luxury travel is not just about exploration, but also about being at the cutting edge of technology and innovation. For the ultra-rich, space tourism represents the pinnacle of luxury and adventure, offering a once-in-a-lifetime experience that few have ever had. From private jets and super yachts to exclusive resorts, and even space travel, the world of luxury travel offers endless possibilities for those seeking the ultimate experiences. These destinations and modes of transport not only provide unparalleled luxury, but also serve as powerful motivations for exploring the finest things life has to offer. We hope this journey through the extravagant world of the ultra-rich has inspired you to dream big and explore the most luxurious travel options available. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of luxury travel motivation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more luxurious travel content. Share your dream destinations in the comments below, and let's keep the wanderlust alive. Safe travels, and we'll see you on our next adventure. For more information on the destinations and travel options featured in this video, check out the links in the description below. Until next time,